We are again. So let's get started, huh? Pistons are pretty easy to put together. Dump all this out. Be sure to see the instructions. Usually the pistons always get started first. I don't know why. Okay, we got these guys. Piston pin part 1. Oh, I did not open that up yet. Huh. Okay, I have to find piston pins. Okay, right back. The other parts, they're in this bag. Don't wonder why they keep it along with the other stuff and all. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Okay, we need to get these guys, and with these guys, and number 2 is you get to clamp these fellas in. I don't know if I got no. There we go. Right in here. Okay, so let's do that. And there's only 4 of them. You slide pretty good. Okay, yes, I know, I'm not saying anything, so what? Big deal. So sue me. Get some of this flash off. Where it looks like it has the injection molded. Well, I should do it on the rest of these. This is going to be a simple build. It's not going to be real pain in the butt type of thing. Yeah, maybe I should have done all the flash here. Yeah, I really should call this clocks and models. I'll be off and on each and every one. Okay, for the Firebird, for those who want to know about the Firebird, I set that aside. And like I said, my brother-in-law has not, don't think he did the decal, he just says yet. And the book is in Create Space. They're very good people. They know what they're doing. Okay, and alright. So what are we doing one time here? Okay, that's one. Yes, I know. Background was sitting by himself after I told him saying that, oh, I don't like snap fits. Well, this is a motor and saw it, bought it, loved it. Apparently, yeah, okay. Quit complaining, Background. I know you're laughing. And we'll just put these together. Snap them in. Okay. I'm just going to just build it out of the box, you know, a fun build, nothing very party-tarty about it. Oh, there it is. Right there. Right there, I thought I lost it. And there should be one more of these fellas right like this. It's laying around here somewhere. Oh, there it is. Alrighty. Okay, and the next one is going to probably be on a crankshaft, I guess. Huh? Yep, crankshaft. And you have to screw them in. Great, now I have to go find a bag of screws. Pardon me. Lunch is talking back. And we got only about 2 minutes to go. Okay, I'll tell you what, instead of wasting time here, why don't we just pause right here, and I'll tell you when we'll be back with the next segment, okay? Alright, okay, bye-bye.